Hi all. Today I just wanted to show everybody how to make Thiessen polygons on Arc GIS, which is used for the computation of rainfall depth. For this purpose we need the data of rainfall depth with their coordinates in CSV file. Just upload it. Then click on display XY data, set the Z field equal to rainfall depth, then set the coordinate system, then hit OK. Now export the data as shapefile in your desired directory. Keep this as any name, then save it. Now remove the extra files if you want. Now add the catchment shapefile by clicking on Add Data button. Select the shapefile, then add it. Now in the Arc toolbox, under the Analysis tools, find the Create Thiessen Polygons, double click on it. Now add the features. Just wait little bit for adding the features in the pop-up window. Now go to the environments. Under the processing extent, select the catchment shapefile. Now find the raster analysis. Here it is. Now add the mask as catchment shapefile and hit OK. Now set the output field as all and hit OK. Wait for the polygons. Here we are. Now go to the extract, find the clip, double click on it. Now add the input features, add the clip features, then hit OK. Now deselect the previous polygons and hollow it. If you want to remove extra files, then remove it. If don't want, stay it as. Now open the attribute table. If you want to add the shape area in square kilometer, our present area in meters. If you want add shape area in kilometer, add the add field from the menu tab. Name it as shape underscore area underscore kilometer. Set the type as double, then press OK. Now right click on it, calculate geometry, hit enter. Now set it as square kilometer, then press yes. If you want to limit the decimal places, click on numeric, set the decimal places equal to 3, then apply it, then OK. Now go to the properties by labeling the polygons. Set the label field as shape area kilometer. Set the type of font, size of font, then apply it. Now if you want to add the color ranges according to the shape area, go to the symbology, set the input field as shape area kilometer, add all fields, then this desired color palette, then hit OK. Now if you want to label the rain gauges as rainfall depth, go to the properties of data. Under the label section, set the type of font, size of font, and then color, then press OK. Now you can export it as PNG file. And here we are. Now if you wanted to know about me, I am a master student in Pakistan studying water resource engineering, and I just wanted to share this everybody, and for more videos just subscribe this channel. Thanks for joining me and see you on the next.